the same shopping cart, the same groceries, and somehow it costs more than it did a year ago. It's not just one item creeping up. It's the whole basket, and that idea goes further than you'd think. Because that pricier cart is the everyday face of a rule that runs the whole economy. Inflation isn't any one price going up, it's the general price level rising, tracked by pricing the same basket of goods month after month. So if eggs get pricier but everything else holds steady, that's just one price moving. Real inflation is when the whole basket costs more, together. Price that same basket again next month, and again the month after. That running total is what economists call the price level, and its rate of climb is inflation. But what actually pushes that total upward? One way is demand pull. Buyers wanting more than the economy can supply, so prices get bid up chasing a limited amount of stuff. The other is cost push. The cost of making things, wages, materials, energy, rises, and businesses pass that squeeze on as higher prices. Unemployment isn't one thing either. Frictional is just between jobs, structural is a skills mismatch, and cyclical comes from a downturn. And each one needs a different fix, not a single blanket answer. Push a little further, and you'll find prices and jobs are wired together more tightly than you'd guess. Economists once drew that link as a dial. As unemployment falls, inflation tends to run hotter, and when unemployment rises, inflation tends to cool. That's the short-run Phillips curve trade-off. But that dial isn't fixed. Once people start expecting the inflation, the whole trade-off shifts, and you can get both high inflation and high unemployment at once, which is exactly what blindsided policymakers in the 1970s. So next time that cart costs more, remember, it's one small basket standing on the very same story as an entire economy's prices and jobs.